Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Aishwarya. Welcome to 14th day of Vlogmas, and in this video I am going to share with you all few skincare tips and tricks for the season of winter. So I'm going to share few things that we should do for our skin regardless of the season. Then I'm going to share few winter specific tips, and then I'm going to share my winter skincare routine. So yes, let's get started. Few basic things that you should do regardless of the season. Number one is to lead a stress-free life. I know it's very easy to say than done, but stress actually affects your skin a lot, so you can get a lot of breakouts because of stress. So try to avoid stressful situations and people and everything related to stress. Number two is to not consume alcohol or cigarettes or all of that as much as possible. Like, avoid them as much as you can, because that definitely affects your skin. Number three is to avoid very harsh chemical treatments. I know their marketing is excellent and their packaging is really cool and whatnot, and all the chemical treatments, unki advertisement badi like अच्छी होती है, so you can be a prey to that, but don't be don't do any harsh chemical treatments on your skin. It's going to ruin your skin in the long run. Immediately वो कितनी भी अच्छी लगे and you might feel like really soft skin and all of that, but it's not great for your skin. So try to avoid that as much as you can. Number fourth is to drink ample amount of water. Very obvious, basic. So yes, drink as much as water as you can. Carry a water bottle with you everywhere you go. And number five is to have a good routine and good food intake. So try to eat right and try to maintain a good routine. And number six and last would be to have a great sleeping schedule. I'm not just telling this to yourself, I'm telling this myself as well. You can see I have such a weird dark circle. Like, it's getting worse every day because of my really bad sleeping pattern, like, and sleeping schedule, and I really need to fix it. And I'm not gonna sit here and conceal it, and you know, just because I'm making a skincare video, doesn't mean I have to like conceal it and say, oh, my skin is perfect, that's why you should do it. It doesn't make any sense. This is the reality. This is how bad my skin right now is. The rest of it is really fine, really amazing, but dark circle is, I think, completely the result of my really bad sleeping pattern, and I really need to do something about it ASAP. That should be my priority right now, but because I'm having such crazy schedule right now, it's become impossible for me to have a better sleeping schedule, but I'm working on it. Nevertheless, great routine, good lifestyle, good food habits and sleeping schedule is really important if you want a great skin. So that's it for a few basic things. Now for winter specific things, start using aloe vera as much as you can. Aloe vera is really great, especially for the winter, क्योंकि winter में बहुत dry skin हो जाती है, and basically there is dryness that's causing every issue in winter, and aloe vera gel is a perfect fix to that because it's very hydrating, it's moisturizing. If you have an aloe vera plant at home, that's even better. You can cut it into little pieces and keep that in your refrigerator and then use it whenever you want to. If not, you can use a store-bought product as well. Try to find aloe vera gel which is colorless and fragranceless, because that would be as natural as possible, like for a market bought product. So yes, use aloe vera gel as much as you can. For me, it did not work very well for me, honestly, but it has worked amazing for my friends, for my mother as well, and for a lot of other people that I know. So try it for yourself first. Do a patch test before you directly apply it to your face. My skin is very dry, but somehow it did not work for me. I had a breakout, but I had a lot of people in my like friend list, and और उनके लिए वो बहुत अच्छे से work हुआ. So it might work for you as well. So do a patch test before and use aloe vera gel. You can use it on your skin regardless, like on your hands and on your legs regardless, but face के लिए एक बार patch test करके देखो. Number second is to use oil on your face, like face oils on your face. Right now I'm using almond oil. I'm using almond oil specifically because it is rich in vitamin E, and that might help me get rid of these, but you can use any that works like great for you. I have also started massaging my face, like I started this few months back, and it's working excellent for me. I will try to put the link of the YouTube video that I follow to massage my face. So do check that out and try it for yourself. It feels great, and I just don't know, just do it for once and you will see it for yourself. It feels great, and it feels so moisturizing and hydrating that your skin is gonna love you. Do it especially if you have dry skin. Number 3 is to use malai. Malai सबके घर में होती है, and it's very hydrating and it makes your skin really softer, and it's so it makes your skin really soft. और तुरंत उसके रिजल्ट है, एंड जो पिंकिश ग्लो चेहरे पे आता है मलाई से, ओ माय गॉड, टू गुड. सो ट्राई मलाई. नंबर 4 इज हल्दी. कंज्यूम भी करो और लगाओ भी. सो आई हैव स्टार्टेड I have started drinking haldi doodh every day now. My auntie actually made me do it. Like she calls me and she tells me to like drink haldi doodh, golden latte if you will. So try like consuming haldi. Haldi is excellent for your skin, पर वो समर में इतना एडवाइस नहीं है, बिकॉज वो गरम होती है. हल्दी इज वेरी काय म्हणतात गरम असते. सो यू कैन एक्चुअली यूज दैट इन विंटर. सो यू कैन कंज्यूम इट, और आप लगा भी सकते हो. सो इफ यू आर डूइंग एनी काइंड ऑफ फेस मास्क, पुट अ पिंच ऑफ हल्दी इन इट एंड इट विल बी ग्रेट फॉर योर स्किन. So yeah, that's it for the winter specific things that you can do for your skin. And now I will share my skincare routine that I do on everyday basis. So here we go.
So I'll adjust my hair first, and this is how my skin looks without anything. As cleanser, I'm using this Cetaphil cleanser. It's very mild and very gentle on my skin. That's why I really like it. So I make sure to massage this on my face for at least 15 seconds, and then I'll wash it off. Now for moisturizer, I will generally use either of these two. That day I felt like using this one. So I will take generous amount and massage that into my skin really well. I will also apply that on my neck. I never forget my neck and my hands actually. There you go. Never forget your hands. Then for the extra hydration, I'm using this Good Vibes Rose Hip Oil face serum. So I really like this one. Its consistency is little thick, and it's oil-based serum, so it feels really great on my skin, especially in the winters. And there is that shine added to your face instantly. Now sunscreen. I never forget my sunscreen. At least I try to not forget my sunscreen. I was just gonna sit at home, that's why I am not applying much. Usually I apply more than this. So this is how my skin looks. I know I have dark circles, but what can you do? There are days I also apply vitamin E tablet. For my lips, I'm using this Laneige lip mask. I've talked about this in one of my recent videos. I started using this recently and I'm loving it. This feels really great. And now if I have to go out, I'll just put on mascara and some lip and cheek tint and I'm good to go. There you go. So that's very simple and very basic skincare routine that I follow on everyday basis.
That's it guys. This was my what I do to take care of my skin in winter video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And I will see you tomorrow. Till then, stay safe and take care. Bye bye. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. Bye.